I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. This is a Indian dirt bike and we're going to show how to clean it up a little bit. I don't know if we're going to get it running or not. The motor does turn over, but what we're doing is we're using the S100 cleaner. We've been using this for years. These guys are really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the whole bike down. As you can see, I mean, I'll spray it on anything, the wheels and stuff. Now this motor turns over on this bike, but I don't know if it's going to run or not, and we're kind of busy this time of the year, so we might just fix it up and sell it as is. So I'm going to spray it all down with the S100, and we're going to, after we do that, then we're going to take SOS pads and water. I use these, and I'm going to get all the crap off it and everything. So anyway, we'll show you what it looks like here in a minute. Okay, our job's complete here for all we're going to do to the motorcycle, and this is what it looks like with a little bit of elbow grease and the S100. As you can see, it cleaned up pretty nice. Now you can see it's kind of shiny. I use this S100 corrosion protectant. This brings everything back to life. So what you do is, I've already sprayed some on. See how it brings everything back to life? Like, look at the cylinders coming back, the covers, the rusty parts. I mean, if you're gonna clean up a bike and you want it, you just want to put it away, like especially an old one like that. This is nice. This is like magic. This is for the guy that doesn't want to put a lot of time into it. This is great stuff. So we highly recommend this. S1 products are all killer. So if we look at this lamp right here, it looks kind of gooned. So here we go. It brings back some shine to it. Now we don't recommend this for the tires because it get kind of slick. But man, I mean, everything else, this is nice stuff. So we just wanted to show you what this is about. But I want to show you on the bike here, the motor kicks over. It's got good compression too. It's got the original Indian keys with the Indian key fob. A lot of the chrome is gooned. There's nothing going to do with that. Grips are gooned. Turn signal stem is busted. Seat's kind of gooned in the back. Rear fender where the taillight goes is gooned. I believe this is original paint. Got the air cleaner. It's very, very, very complete. I do not have a title for this motorcycle, and it says it has 99,996 miles, which I seriously doubt. The tires are really nice on it. It's got some rust and all that, but the motor does turn over. It's got the original tag on it with the original VIN number and everything, but there's no title. So good luck. We have low-cost shipping available on request, and we're going to put this on eBay at no reserve. Okay, well, thanks for looking at our stuff.